Hey guys, my name is Michelle from modelingmichelle.com and welcome to another video. If you are a lover of all things fashion, lifestyle, and luxury, then you are in the right place. Please be sure to subscribe if you enjoy this video. Alright you guys, so today's video is going to be an H&M haul, okay? So if you've watched some of my past hauls, you know that I've mainly been focused on Zara, okay? Because Zara brings the heat. Okay, but this time I'm going to be bringing you guys a few pieces from H&M, and also if you stay and continue watching throughout the end, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little luxury unboxing that I got recently. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first is this dress here. I got this white dress from H&M. It is a 3-tiered dress and I love dresses of this style. I love this like little baby doll look. I think it's so cute and feminine and very, very easy breezy. Okay, like I love effortless, easy breezy style. Okay, so it does feature these long sleeves here with this elasticated like wrist section, and then like I said, this is a baby doll style dress, so it does typically come oversized. So this dress is actually in a size small. I initially got it in a medium and the medium was just giving me a bit too oversized, so I sized down to a small. It was $29.99, so a really good price, and I think this is a perfect spring summer staple. Okay, I love it so much. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, you guys. So if you want to see some of these looks styled up in my hauls, follow me on Instagram because that's where you will get all of the looks, okay? All of the looks. So anyway, I love this dress so much. I think it's so cute and I'm going to be rocking this dress so much, okay? And this like style of dress too. Okay, so next up is a bag. It is this woven bag here. So I have been on the hunt for a really nice woven bag. I was looking on Amazon and I saw a few options, but I didn't really bite the bullet. But when I saw this one on H&M, I was like, oh yes, please. This is mine. Give it to me. So it does feature this nice ivory kind of color for the handles, as well as this little flap right here. It is a pocket too, so you actually can put little things in here if you want to. But yeah, this is just so cute. It does also feature like 2 little ties, so I guess you can kind of like tie the bag shut if you want to. And I just feel like this is also a very good spring summer bag, specifically summer bag for sure. And you can rock this to the beach. You can wear it if you're kind of like on vacation, traveling, or even if you're just kind of going around and you want something that's like super cute and different. I think it's perfect. I love this bag so much and I can't wait to rock it. I have not worn it yet, but I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this because it's just perfect for this season. Like I said, I haven't worn it, so I haven't packed it up yet, so I don't know how heavy it gets because I'm not typically a tote person. But it was just too cute for me to pass up, y'all. Like, come on. You see the vibes. Too cute. Alright, you guys, so next up is something that I was also on the hunt for, which is a pair of black Bermuda shorts. Okay, so I love these shorts so much. I have always felt that like wearing Bermuda shorts that were like up to like my knees looked awkward on me. So I love the fact that this stops like right here mid-thigh. I think it is so perfect. I love the way it looks. Okay, so I happen to get it in a size 12 and this is $20. So it's $19.99. I opted to get it in a 12 because I just wanted to have a little bit of like a not too snug fit. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but there is like some space right here. I wanted to actually be a little bit looser, but that's fine. That's okay. I got a little bit of thighs. Okay, so I found a way to fill them up anyway. So I actually just paired it with just this like muscle tee from Zara from a few seasons ago. But I love these Bermuda shorts so much. I think they are just so cute, so easy. I actually want to wear these with like a nice like strappy heel and then a nice white bodysuit. I think that'll be super cute. And then you can also opt to style it with something like this. So like a nice muscle tee, this, maybe a pair of cute heels, nice sandals. Again, very easy to style and I love these so much. And these also feel very comfortable. Very comfortable and they're at a really good price point of $19.99. So I will be sure to link everything down below. And also, if anything is sold out, I will be sure to mention that down below. I won't just like leave it off. I'll put that it's sold out, but everything else will be linked down below. Okay, so again, love these Bermuda shorts. All right, you guys, so next up is this long sleeve linen top. Okay, so ignore the shorts. All right, these shorts are actually from Zara, and I plan on including them in my next Zara haul, so please be sure to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload that video. But this portion, I'm showing you the top. Okay, so it is this nice linen top, very, very nice for the springtime. I have had a linen top on my list. Okay, so all of these pieces are things that I've been looking for the season, and I was able to snag them from H&M. Okay, so it is this top right here, so I just have it kind of tucked in on one side and left out on the other. The material is a nice material as well. So let me see. Okay, so I got this in a size medium, and it was $29.99. Okay, so I think it's also a good price because it's a very good versatile piece that can last for a while. And I just love the fact that it now comes in different colors. So now you can get it in a more natural linen color. They also have it in like my color for the season, sage green. So I've had to like stop myself from buying every single color. Okay, so I'm gonna untuck it to show you guys. That was just me kind of styling it. But this is how long it is in a size medium. So I am about 5'6", 5'7", I think, 5'5", girl, I don't know. But this is how long it is. It is pretty long in the back too. So it's really nice if you want to wear it with shorts, or if you want to wear it with like a skirt, pants, jeans. You can definitely tuck it in. You can also do a little tie action if that's your style. So you can kind of tie the front and then leave the back kind of down, tuck it in. So it's very versatile because of its length, and I like that. So I personally would just do the same thing that I just showed you guys, the tuck in action, kind of tuck it in here, leave it hanging, and I think it's just so cute. And I would just pair it with like how I have it on with these shorts and some sandals. I would also wear it with like a nice skirt and like some sandals or some like minimal, barely there heels. So yeah, I love this top, definitely recommend. Alright, you guys, so next top is this one right here. I love it so much. As you guys know, I've been saying it over and over. This is my color, okay? So I got this sleeveless muscle top tee as well. So it does have shoulder pads, which I love so much. And I got this in a size medium, so this is how it fits. It's like a boxy fit. Of course, I would not wear it like this. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I would opt to tuck it in. Okay, so I'm just going to do a half tuck for you guys. All right, I'm gonna leave the back hanging, but I would tuck it in and wear it more so like this. Isn't this super cute? I will wear this with like a nice pair of heels. I think it's so nice. It is $29.99, I believe, so not a bad price either. And I just love the look of this top so much. I love muscle tees. When the trend first came out, I was kind of questioning it. I was like, how is it gonna look like on me? And it looks great. I love it so much. So I'm glad they brought it out again, but in like a little bit like smarter fabric. You know what I mean? So not just like the regular tees, but like a button down. I think it's so interesting. I love it so much. And I know they're bringing these tees out in like, I think I saw it in like blue pinstripe. Just really nice options. So I love this top as well. All right, you guys. So last part of this H&M haul is this suit set right here. I got this a little while back, but I never showed it to you guys properly in a haul. I did include like a picture of it somewhere because of shoes. Anyway, y'all, is this not everything? Okay, so it is the blazer and these pants here. As you can see, these pants are nice and high-waisted. It does feature a nice elasticated back. We love that for comfort. So it does come up very high. And then this is a very oversized blazer. Okay, so as you can see where it reaches, it's very oversized, nice and loose. I believe I got this in a size medium and got the pants in a size 10. Okay, so love this so much, so recommended. It comes in different colors. I also saw it in lavender, which I love. Okay, I'm obsessed with. But I love this so much for this season. Highly recommend if you're into suit sets that you check this one out. They are sold separately. So if you want to just get the blazer, you can do that. If you want to just get the pants, you can do that. And the pants stop right above the ankle as well, you guys. All right, you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in to the haul portion of the video. I wanted to quickly bring you guys a nice little unboxing that I got from YSL Saint Laurent for Mother's Day. Shout out to the husband. Okay, so this is one of my gifts. So I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. I have an awesome essay at YSL. So I hadn't been to YSL in a little bit, so it was nice to see her and pick up this little goodie. Okay, so it came with this black ribbon, so we're gonna put this to the side. And then this is in a small box. So I'm sure you guys can guess what this is because it is in a nice little small box. But once you open it, it does have the tissue paper sticker. So we're gonna open that up. Okay. And then YSL is giving you all black. Okay, here for it. So then you take out the item out of the box. It's in a dust bag. And then we're going to pull out first. Ooh. So I believe this is the receipt or just like some packaging information. Here's a tag. All right, so we're gonna pull this out. I got the YSL card holder. Okay, so this is in their classic beige color, not to be confused with the new beige that they have coming out. So this is their classic beige color, and it is in the grained leather with the gold hardware. Okay, so how nice is this, you guys? How nice is this? I knew I needed a new card holder, and I wanted to get it in a different color besides black. I always lean towards black for card holders just because it's, you know, easy to manage, but I wanted something a little different. So I knew I wanted to get one from YSL, and this is it here. So when I saw this beige nude color, I was like, yes, I need it. With the gold hardware, we love it. So they have a little faux card, I guess, in here to show you how it can fit in there, but it does feature two slots on the front, 2 slots on the back, and then it has a middle portion right here so you can fit some things in here. So I do plan, because if you haven't watched my video, I'll be sure to link it above. I do have the Louis Vuitton key clay, and that is like my go-to, connected to my keys, grab and go. I hold my cards in there, but I noticed that as I was like going out, it was becoming a little difficult like sifting through my cards because there was no like divider in there. So I decided I was going to get a new card holder and keep my like important go-to cards in here. And then if I ever have to just like grab and go with my keys, I'll just grab one of the cards, put it in my key clay, and head out. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I opted to have this YSL card holder as the one of choice for me. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you that really quickly. All right, you guys, so that is the end of my H&M haul. Not too many items, okay, just enough. I actually have another Zara haul coming up. So this H&M one had to be light, okay, you guys, because that one is going to have some really cute things in there. So like I mentioned earlier, please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell to be notified of all of my future uploads so you guys don't want to miss that. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well as my little surprise luxury unboxing. And please be sure to follow me on Instagram at Modernly Michelle and visit my website modernlymichelle.com for all things fashion, lifestyle, and luxury. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.